Good morning, V.F.E crew. Here you got Tito with V.F.E Vasquez Fishing Episodes. And today I told you this is part 2 of our adventure from yesterday. And we are here with Jay from Fishing with Jay. And we got David from David's Outdoor Experience. And we are about to get on the water on a boat. Yes, I said it. We're actually going on a boat today. And we're going to do some fishing. Hopefully we get some great content and you guys could enjoy and watch this video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and let us know what you guys think about these videos. Here I got Jay. I want him to introduce his channel.
Hey, what's going on, Southwest Florida? Jay from Fishing with Jay. I'm based out of Connecticut, up north fishing. It's a little different than here, but it's a lot of fun. If you're interested in that, check it out. Go to my channel, subscribe. Fishing with Jay, all together. Hope to see you there.
And then you guys seen this guy before.
Good morning, everybody. David's Outdoor Experience. We are here with V.F.E, Fishing with Jay. Captin Dax is on the way, 2 miles away. We are getting excited, bro. We're going to do it all day, every day. Subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell. You know what to do.
So, hey, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. We'll see you guys back on the water. V.F.E, we made it on the water. Yes, we on the water, Captin Dax. What's up, Captain? Yo, appreciate you bringing us out here. Give us a little bit of information on your charter.
It's Coast to Coast Charters. You can reach me at 786-760-1006. I do half day, 3/4 day, and full day charters, and I'm always available. Schedule you in.
Hey guys, come check him out. This guy's legit. He's bilingual, so for you Spanish speaking folks, you guys come check him out también. Él habla español, te habla inglés, te habla de lo que sea. Alemán también. So come check him out. He's legit. He's got everything ready to go. All safety precautions taken all times, and you'll have a good trip. So we'll see you smacking these fish here in a little bit. Later. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Under your Zuri.
Bueno, toda la gente se fueron.
Oh, Ocean, you got the pliers on you? Somebody got them over here. There you go.
Watch your fingers.
Good. Thank you. There you go, David.
That looks like gold. Oh boy.
I wasn't kidding. Look at this thing. Unless you hook them sideways again, that's probably the biggest one. Because he is like. Oh yeah, you hear that?
No, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one. Looks like it's moving too.
Come on, Ocean.
Probably. Yep.
There you go.
That's a good.
That's a nice size.
Yeah, that one's a sandwich.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right in the lip. You ripped them.
Oh man, barely got him, huh?
Perfect. That's how you want it. Easy on, easy on.
Pero no me lo tires, bro, que yo te hice a ti. ¿Para qué te metes a tirar un pescado?
No se fajan, que son familia.
You missed.
Oh. Oops. Sorry.
That was a nice little fight.
Pull it out.
David's hooked on a snook. First snook of the day, guys. My boy David.
All day, every day, baby.
There you go.
Captin Dax. You want to catch snook? You got to come with Captin Dax. Coming up, Dax.
Let's see that snook real quick, Cap.
Chiquitín, but hey,
Snook's a snook.
snook's a snook.
Nice snook, bro.
Give me the little part.
Nice snook. David's Outdoor Experience, guys. Go check him out. You're gonna see more footage on there.
You can tell it's good when it bends the thick rod. If it doesn't bend, yeah, that one looks good. Oh yeah.
Whew. V.F.E, we smacking these with them Yazari today.
You are todo lo que yo pensaba.
Well, thank
And
you.
more.
I appreciate that.
Yes, sir. And everything David's talked to me about you. Legit.
The first thing, and he's right there, yo le dije, nada más de escuchar.
Ocean.
Veo su humbleness. ¿Verdad que te lo
Yeah.
dije? Only on his voice you can listen humbleness. That's what
I've been through a lot of things in my life, gentlemen.
Ahí está aquí, mira. Está aquí abajo.
And I learned that if you're good to others, God will be good to you. That was a good one.
Nice one. David's Outdoor Experience. Oh, fishing with Jay. Fishing with Jay. We on there. We on there, Jay. Woo, boy.
Come around, come around.
Come on, Josian, bring that in, Papa.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. He got his snook.
Don't worry. Just hold it.
Reel down. Reel down a
Just
little
hold it.
bit.
You got a snook, you got a snook.
Lift, lift.
Stop it. There.
Nice.
There.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, definitely.
Ahora te falta a ti.
Yep.
You're going for it.
Fishing with Jay.
That's what I'm talking
You
about.
got that snook, baby.
Yes.
Live action, baby. Live action. That's what we're talking about.
Yep.
Go around the deck. Let me take the picture for you.
I got it right here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you got it?
I got you. Get over there, Papa.
Watch out. Watch the pool.
I got you.
Don't worry about the pole. Don't step on it.
Ready? Nice.
Yes.
Well, release him.
Actually.
With another one.
That's a good one.
Yeah. All day, every day, baby.
Captin Dax, right on deck.
Captain Dax. Who's trying to fish? Call him. The info, you heard it.
Will be in the description below. Don't forget to go check it out. I'll have his phone number and name and everything pop up. A way to get a hold of him. Believe me, you'll have a great time with this guy.
There's no dolphin around?
Oh!
Okay, I'll get it, I'll get it.
There you go, buddy.
Look at that rock, guys. Blue runner?
Blue fish. A big one, a nice one.
No wonder it was fighting so much.
You got it, Captain? You got it?
Yeah.
Bring it forward, bring it
Ooh!
Good.
Good catch.
That's a good one right there.
David.
All
Nice.
day, every day, baby. Captain Dax in the house. Jay, fishing with Jay, and V.F.E. Yes, sir.
That was a good catch.
That's beautiful.
Yes, sir.
What up, V.F.E crew? We're back here with Captain Dax, Coast to Coast Charters. We made it back safe. We had a great time. Caught awesome fish. We had yellow jacks. We caught snook. We caught bluefish. We had awesome time. He brought us back safely. Awesome trip. Call him, give him a shout out. I'll put the information in the description below. Please give him a call. And here he's getting his sticker, V.F.E. There you go. Thank you for everything, Captain. You did awesome.
Great
We
day.
appreciate everything you did for us today, man.
Thank
It
you
was
so
awesome.
much. We had
All
a
right?
great day.
David's Outdoor Experience, don't forget. Go check them out.
Yes, sir.
And Fishing with Jay. Don't forget to go hit him up.
Hit me up. Make sure you subscribe. All three channels, subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.
So, stay tuned. This video is going to be awesome, and we're going to have a lot more to come this year. Stay safe and God bless.